How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? We hope that you're doing fine. This is Analyzing with El Dorado Effects. And as you know, it's not financial advice. It's only our view, what we think it can happen in the market. If you stay until the end, you're going to get our fundamental highlight. So you understand a little bit more why fundamentally gold is doing what it's doing and why technically, as we do every night, and we show you what is happening. And also we see our calendar as usual. Okay, so at the moment, we know that this week has been a bit crazy because we have something that is called WEF. It's not the WFF, the wrestling thing. It's the World Economic Forum. That has been happening for the whole week, meaning we've been having red folders the whole week, almost the whole week actually. Monday we didn't have it, but we see on the calendar. We started with the calendar today because we wanted to show you where World Economic Forum is around. We have President Trump talking, and he's talking about tariffs. He's talking about Greenland causing sudden movements in gold and other assets. That's why we need to be very careful in these markets because we don't know when the news are gonna come. We don't know when the big whales they're gonna go into the market. So let's go. Let's see our analysis as usual. So technically speaking, our analysis bike is on will be 4,788 to 4,766. For those still looking for buys like me, 4,750 key price to for the price to remain above will indicate that from this area that we're saying very likely we're gonna have a pump that we already started today and we already entered a buy in our premium channel. So another key zone will be 4,715 to 4,695 that we point out yesterday in case we have those sudden movements because we know that gold take time to go up, but it get down in no time. So just we always prepare. Anyways, we follow the flow. Key price 4,850 has been marked up for you because we're expecting that the price shoot up and break above. That would be more confirmation to go to our short-term target, which is 4,900. And then if we manage to go above 4,900 and close very strongly, very likely that we're going to go to a long-term target would be 5,000. Many people was trying to buy, including myself, from different areas today. I have to try like 3 times to just go. We try like 3 times in our premium channel, and we went in break even after even 200 pips, 300 pips trade. But that's how the game is played. We protect our capital, we move on. So remember that an amazing key price that we're waiting for that to remain in the higher time frame would be 4,659. That is why it's there. We're explaining every single line, every single thing that we have on the screen, so you guys understand when we see those prices, and we go with the flow. Always check for confirmations. That's our big recommendation as usual. So now we're moving to Bitcoin. Bitcoin again, if you manage to benefit from Bitcoin, congratulations. We said to you that the respect of the trend line would means that Bitcoin is gonna shoot up once again, and it did happen. Thousands of pips already been given again on Bitcoin. Congratulations if you benefit from it. We're gonna still on the bullish by us, and we're gonna wait now this time around to see the price going above this high here, 97,940. Okay, let's expect that. That would be a maximum confirmation for us to see a retracement again and to try to tackle 100,000. Simple as that. Remember, we make it simple here. We don't complicate ourselves. El Dorado FX free for you every day. We start the day amazingly. Amazing, amazing. We say hello. We also show the results of our YouTube forecast because it's good to show that we're making profit in the trades and that we're benefiting from different analysis that we sent. Also, we share this chart within the Telegram community the other day, and I was showing the yearly end. It was 180,000 pips to the upside last year, 2025. So benefit from that, benefit from the signals that we send 1 to 2 signals per day. Gold buy limit was amazing, more than 60 pips given, meaning $60, 60 pesos, 60 pounds. If you invest one pound, 1 peso, $1. Amazing. So now going into our highlight, we're going to First Street and to show the fundamental overview at the moment. So gold came to 4,890 in Wednesday, this Wednesday. So we see that at the moment, everything is escalating regarding geopolitical situation, regarding the war for foreign economy. We have a lot of news that come out, and that is why we have these sudden movements in gold in different assets across the forex community. So there is a lot of uncertainty about President Trump and what he's doing at the moment. So there's a lot of whispering as well around the situation at the moment in the war. The economy is crazy. Everything is just uncertain. Reason why we see people seeking to invest in gold. That is why gold keeps shooting up. And all the things that we see, the outlook is that the bulls having control. We see fresh escalation over Greenland, 5,000 targets in focus in gold. So we see many speculation. And the reason why is not only fundamentally, it's also technical. If we go in our charts and we focus on the candles in the higher time frame, at least in the weekly time frame, you will understand most of the things that are happening and the levels that are responding. Anyways, we leave you to it, guys. Thank you very much for trusting us. Join our channel. Click the link below. Join El Dorado FX Free. Also, click the like button. Click the bell, and you always will be receiving notifications about our videos. Anyways, take it easy, guys. I hope that you have a nice rest of the week, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care.